Have you ever sensed an inexplicable connection to a place you've never been, feeling as though a part of your soul belongs there? It's a curious sense of belonging to a spot you haven't visited, making you wonder about the mysteries of why certain places are stuck in your mind. Lisbon, the vibrant capital of Portugal, is a charming travel hotspot that will make it hard to leave once you start exploring. From this mesmeric travel vlog, you can explore the unique charm that makes Lisbon a destination like no other. Planning a visit to Lisbon? This travel vlog for Lisbon is your passport to a seamless and enriching experience. It will surely paint a vivid picture of why Lisbon stands out as an unforgettable destination. Here's Good Lisbon takes you off the beaten path, introducing you to hidden gems and local favorites that add a layer of authenticity to your exploration. In the heart of Portugal lies the captivating city of Lisbon, a destination that stole many hearts in ways they never anticipated. As you set out to explore this enchanting metropolis, your journey will unfold in mesmerizing travel moments that capture the essence of Lisbon's unique charm and timeless beauty. Lisbon, Portugal, with its vibrant culture and rich history, proves to be a fascinating travel destination for many enthusiastic travelers. Through our travel vlog, viewers can experience a visual tour, discovering the cobblestone streets and historic neighborhoods that define the city. This Lisbon travel guide woven into the narrative provides invaluable insights, ensuring that fellow adventurers can make the most of their visit to this European gem. As the travel vlog unfolds, the soulful connection between us and Lisbon becomes evident, and the beauty of this city becomes a beacon for wanderlust. So let's begin this captivating journey through Lisbon, Portugal, where each frame tells a story and every moment captures the magic that makes this destination truly extraordinary. Lisbon, Portugal, is a city full of excitement and charm, offering a multitude of things to do for every kind of traveler. From historic landmarks to vibrant neighborhoods, there's no shortage of adventures awaiting you in this captivating destination. When planning to visit Lisbon, prepare for a journey filled with enchanting surprises. This Lisbon travel guide unveils the city's hidden gems, guiding you through must-visit landmarks, local hotspots, and the best-kept secrets. Are you still thinking of what to do in Lisbon? The city's dynamic blend of culture, history, and contemporary flair ensures a diverse range of experiences for residents and visitors alike. So keep no doubts, you will surely enjoy this trip. Your adventure in Lisbon begins the moment you step off the plane at Lisbon Airport. With its modern facilities and friendly atmosphere, the airport welcomes you to the vibrant energy of the city. Convenient transportation options make it easy to navigate to your next destination, ensuring a smooth start to your Lisbon exploration. This journey of Lisbon exploration unveils the stories hidden in its narrow alleys and historic landmarks, allowing you to connect with the city on a deeper level. This latest travel vlog will let you capture the essence of Lisbon in stunning 4K resolution, and as we navigate the colorful streets, explore the city's history, and showcase the unique culture that sets Lisbon apart. From panoramic views to hidden gems, this visual journey is designed to transport you directly to the heart of Lisbon. Lisbon, a city always bound with history and culture, boasts an array of museums that bring its rich heritage to life. From the impressive National Museum of Ancient Art to the contemporary MA8 Museum of Art, Architecture and Technology, each institution showcases different facets of Lisbon's artistic and historical talents. St. George's Castle, perched atop a hill, offers breathtaking views of Lisbon. Explore the castle grounds, walk along ancient walls, and soak in the history and beauty of this majestic landmark. Lisbon boasts a plethora of attractions, from historic sites to lively districts. Enjoy Lisbon's pleasant weather with sunny days throughout the year. So explore the best places, including the scenic Alfama, bustling Baixa, and the iconic Belém, to make the most of your visit. Step back in time with a visit to the Palace of the Marquises. Immerse yourself in the elegance and history of this splendid palace, which showcases the opulent lifestyle of Lisbon's aristocracy. Explore the top 10 attractions in Lisbon, including the iconic Belém Tower, historic Jerónimos Monastery, and the lively neighborhoods of Alfama and Bairro Alto. Dive into Lisbon's tourism scene, from iconic landmarks to cultural experiences. Discover the charm of Lisbon step by step with a leisurely walking tour. Navigate through the narrow alleys of Alfama, witness the grandeur of São Jorge Castle, and feel the pulse of the city in Rocio Square. A walking tour is the perfect way to immerse yourself in Lisbon's history, culture, and architectural wonders while enjoying the picturesque views along the way. Enjoy every step in these charming streets and neighborhoods of Lisbon with a city guide. Experience the unique charm of Lisbon as you stroll through its historic streets and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Always navigate the streets of Lisbon with confidence using curated travel tips and advice. Visit Lisbon City to experience the traditions, modernity, and feel that vibrant atmosphere. For those with just one day to spare, Lisbon offers a condensed yet captivating experience. Explore iconic landmarks like São Jorge Castle, soak in the views from Miradouro da Senhora do Monte, and savor a leisurely lunch in a local eatery. Don't miss a boat tour along the Tagus River for a unique perspective of Lisbon's skyline and waterfront. Don't forget to discover local favorites and lesser-known Lisbon hidden gems that showcase Lisbon's authentic character. Plan your trip with a Lisbon tourist guide that highlights the city's top attractions, practical tips, and cultural insights. Take a day trip from Lisbon to the enchanting town of Sintra, known for its fairy tale palaces and lush landscapes. You can also plan day trips from Lisbon to nearby destinations, such as the coastal town of Cascais or the historic town of Évora. No exploration of Lisbon would be complete without indulging in the iconic Portuguese treats, the delectable pastel de nata. Join us as we explore the world of these sweet custard tarts, savoring every bite and sharing the joy of this culinary delight. The flavors of Lisbon come to life in this unforgettable adventure, adding a delightful touch to the travel experience. Portuguese food is a delightful journey for your taste buds, and Lisbon is the perfect place to indulge in these culinary treasures. From the iconic pastel de nata to the savory bacalhau, the local cuisine offers a diverse and flavorful experience. No trip to Lisbon is complete without indulging in the world-famous pastel de nata. These delicious custard tarts are a local specialty that will surely satisfy your sweet tooth. Whether you grab a few from a local bakery or learn the art of making them yourself, the pastéis de nata experience is a must in this city. Don't miss the chance to explore the bustling markets and cozy cafes to truly savor the essence of Lisboa. Dive into Lisbon's culinary scene with a comprehensive food guide that explores Lisbon's diverse flavors. Savor the taste of Lisbon with its famous grilled sardines, a local culinary delight. Lisbon cheap eats from street food stalls will always save your budget. When the sun sets, Lisbon transforms into a lively hub of entertainment and excitement. The city's nightlife is a vibrant mix of trendy bars, traditional fado performances, and energetic clubs. Join the locals and fellow travelers in exploring the diverse array of venues, creating unforgettable memories as you dance the night away in the heart of Lisbon. As Lisbon prepares for the year 2024, the city buzzes with anticipation. The vibrant energy and forward-thinking spirit of Lisbon 2024 promise exciting developments, making it an ideal time for locals and visitors alike to witness the city's evolution. Plan your trip with a reliable Lisbon travel guide that provides insights into the city's attractions, activities, and practical information for a smooth visit. Uncover the fascinating history of Lisbon, marked by centuries of cultural influences and historical events. If it's your first time in Lisbon, familiarize yourself with essential tips to make the most of your visit. Learn what to avoid in Lisbon to ensure a hassle-free visit. Enjoy Lisbon's breathtaking views and landmarks with a day of sightseeing. Seek out the best experiences in Lisbon, from the best viewpoints to the best local markets.